Hey guys, I wanted to come on here and share a little bit about my percussion instrument here. It's a new toy that I got for my clients and everybody is raving about it. I've performed this on about 200 people and maybe 2 people have not thoroughly enjoyed it. One of which were a bit elderly and didn't have enough muscle tissue for it to manipulate. But this really helps with knots and adhesions and being able to have a full range of motion. So when we are in our daily lives, we're here in this kyphotic state, and then the muscle tissue starts to shrink and shrink, just like a rubber band loses its elasticity and isn't able to stretch like the way that we're supposed to. So what I do with my clients is I have them in an assisted stretch. So pretend there's a wall right here and they stretch out their chest muscle, and I take this HyperIce tool, it's called the HyperIce, and it has 3 levels and it starts to vibrate here. So I have them in a stretch and I can't do this while I'm filming, but it helps basically iron out the muscles. So here is a functioning shoulder. It's right underneath my ear. But if you see people's shoulder inwardly rotated here, that means this muscle right here is shortened and you're not gonna have the range of motion, the flexibility, or being able to freely move without pain here, anywhere. So I help them extend that muscle, and basically after you're in a prolonged state, then it's impossible to have correct posture. Your posture is malaligned, and that's where injuries happen. And so even if you were to retract your shoulder blades like one is supposed to be able to, they kind of turn off and it's nearly impossible to be able to do that. So what I do is I help iron out those muscles and stretch them out and elongate them. And in functional fitness and posture and alignment, what I practice, we stretch the front muscles, the hip flexors and the shoulders, the chest muscles. We stretch out the front side and we strengthen the back side, the shoulder blade muscles, the lower trapezius and the glute muscles, so that we can have that perfect posture. So that's my percussion instrument, the HyperIce. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please double tap and tag somebody in need to straighten up their posture. See you next time.